Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to start another question of Olympiad math in which you can see the right angle triangle whose sides are n³ and 4 and n square. This is your longest side, and everybody knows this side, the longest side in a right angle triangle is known as the hypotenuse, and this side is the perpendicular and this side is your base. And here we need to find the value of n, this n value. And the sides are n4, n³ and n square. So how to find in a right angle triangle if the sides are given of the right angle triangle, how to find the value of n. So in this question you can see this is the right angle triangle. So everybody knows if the right angle triangle is given, so we need to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Pythagoras says a hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square is given n4, n raised to the power 4 whole square, and the perpendicular square is n³. So perpendicular is n³, but here the square, so n³ square, and base is n square, so square to 2 power 2. So n raised to the power 4 whole power 2, it will become 4 2s are 8, 9 raised to the power 8, n raised to the power 8, sorry, and n raised to the power 3 2s are 6. We are using the exponent law, power to power, plus 2 2s are 4. So this is the equation. Now how to solve this equation? First of all, we will these two terms, right hand side, both terms goes left hand side, so sign should be changed. N raised to the power 6 is the negative and it is also negative, and here right hand side is 0. Now in this equation, which is common number, which is common variable, n raised to the power 8, n raised to the power 6, n raised to the power 4. So the least number is the least variable is n raised to the power 4. We will take out. So the inside is n raised to the power 4. 6 minus 4 is 2, and it is n raised to the power 4 outside. So 1 is remaining, is equal to 0. So in this expression there are two cases. First case is n raised to the power 4 is equal to 0, and the second case is n power 4 minus n square minus 1 equal to 0, because these two values are equal to 0. So one by one we will write n raised to the power 4 equals to 0, and this expression is equal to 0. Now you can see, and if n raised to the power 4 is 0, this one is 0, so it means n³ is also 0, and if n power 4 is 0 and n power 3 is 0, so it means n square is also 0. It means hypotenuse is also 0, perpendicular is also 0, and base is also 0. It is not possible in any triangle the side is 0. If the side is 0, how can it possible the triangle will be formed? So this case is rejected. Now we will do the second case. Second case is n raised to the power 4 minus n square minus 1. So here we need to convert this equation in the quadratic equation. How to convert? N raised to the power 4, we will write n square power square, n square raised to the power square minus n square minus 1. Now we will assume that, let we consider n square, let n square equals to x. So it is x square minus x minus 1. Now we will apply the quadratic formula for finding the value of x. So the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now see, after this your b, this equation we will write again here. Here the b is minus 1 and A is 1 and C is 1. If you compare this equation by the standard form of quadratic equation, so A is the coefficient of x square is 1, B is the minus 1 and C is the minus 1. Okay, now put ABC values in the quadratic formula. Minus B is the minus B. Here is the minus B. B value is already negative. So minus and minus 1. We will put the B value is minus 1. Already outside is the minus sign. So minus minus plus. It will be plus in the next step. And it is in a square root. Here the B square. B square means minus 1 square. Minus 4AC. 4AC 4 into A. A is the 1 and C is the minus 1 upon 2A. A is the 1. Now see, minus minus is the plus 1, plus minus under root of minus 1 square is the 1 square, and minus minus plus 4 ones are 4 upon 2 ones are 2. So 1 plus minus under root 5 by 2. So this is the value of x. So here the two sign plus and minus, we will take out one by one both the sign. First of all, taking plus sign. So the x value is 1 plus root of 5 upon 2. And if we take the minus sign, so x value is 1 minus under root 5 by 2. So if you find the square root of 5 number, so it will be greater than 1. So if the value of root 5 is greater than 1, so obviously its answer should be a negative form. Root 5 value is greater than 1, so your answer should be in negative form. So it is not possible in any triangle length is the negative. Always remember the sides of the triangle is always positive integer. So it is also rejected. It is also rejected. So we will consider this value only. X equals to 1 plus root 5 by 2. Now what is x? Here we will consider the x equals to n square. So this x is equal to n square. So we will just put the value of x is n square. Now we need to find n value. Do not forget the question. The previously here I will write already and we will find the value of n. So how to find this n value? This square will be goes that side and it will become a square root. So square root of 1 plus root 5 by 2. Negative will be negative. Everybody knows if the square root is goes to right hand side, there are two values, plus and minus. Minus value again we will reject. So only positive value is remaining. So if you solve this root 5 then plus 1 by 2, your answer is 1.272. I hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and thanks for watching.